Alexis de la Cerda is set to go down against Erwin Fuller III. Erwin Fuller III is 5'6". He's got 12 wins in a row. He is a knockout artist, while Alexis de la Cerda is 5'5", and he's got 8 victories in a row. Mostly by decision, he is a very technical fighter, and he defeated Danny Robles, Emmanuel Ojeda, Sharon Cut, and Nelson Guerrero. The other side, Erwin Fuller has victories over names like Eric Ruiz and Dominic Griffin, Roberto Tapia, but this fight is a pretty big question for me because I think the two are evenly matched. I know Erwin is more experienced, but for some reason I believe this is going to be a technical fight and I don't see a knockout in it. And I'm gonna go with over 6.5. If I must pick a side, then I'm probably gonna risk with Erwin Fuller.